To all, my name is T. Mahendra. I am studying 8th class. Today's news reading by 8th class. Today's importance: Father of Green Revolution and Nobel Peace Prize later Norman Borlaug's death anniversary. International news: Indian Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurated Atal King labs in use CBSE schools. Maritime Prime Minister Navin Chandra Ramkulam met Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Varanasi yesterday. Continuous could not be reached in talks between President Ramchandra Noble and John Jets, representative on the choice of an interim Prime Minister for Sarkis. It Nepal yesterday. US President Donald Trump's close-eyed and nationalist Charlie Kirk was arrested while addressing students at Utah Valley University. China has warned the US not to try to control it or interfere in its affairs. Oracle co-founder Ali Ellison has become the world's richest person, a fortune of $393 billion according to the Bloomberg report. Recently, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has defended the attacks on key Hamas leader in this quarterly capital Doha. Bangladesh has extended the access to magistrate powers of army officers for 60 days. National news. Newly elected C.P. Radhakrishna will take oath as the 17th Vice President of India today. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has asked MPs to make Parliament a platform for meaningful debate. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to visit Manipur tomorrow. Prime Minister Modi, who revived assistance of 1,200 crore. The Supreme Court has concluded the hearing on the case of the President. 58 deadline for the governors to inform them about the approval of the bills that have come to him. The verdict has been received. Indian Navy will launch its Aravali in Gurugram today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced an assistance of 1,200 crore for the affected areas of Uttarakhand. 10 more states killed in a major encounter in Gariyaband district of Chhattisgarh state. The state government has located 144 people from Nepal, which is in crisis, by air and 34 people by road. The mega DSC Liquidation meeting is on the 19th of this month. It is reported that the appointment papers are likely to be handled over the same day. BJP government has transferred to all district collectors across the state. The state government has announced that the country's first containment defense facility will be set up in Amaravati's Quantitum Valley at the cost of Rs 40 crores. Sports news. Indian have a weight boxer Nupur Shiran reaches the semi-finals of the World Boxing Championship. India names 16-member team for the Women's Blind T20 World Cup announced. Bangladesh defeated Hong Kong by 7 wickets in match held yesterday as part of the Asia Cup T20 cricket tournament being held in Dubai. Young Indian player Ayush Shetty reached in the quarterfinals of the Hong Open badminton tournament. The Chinese team defeated the Indian team 4-1 in the Super 4 matches held in Niue as part of the Asia Cup Women's Hockey Tournament being held in Hangzhou, China. Weather news: the meteorological department has said that there is possibility of heavy rains in the state in this next 24 hours. The southeast monsoon is likely to withdraw from some parts of northwest India on the 16th and 17th of this month. The India Meteorological Department has informed. That is the first today's news. Thank you. Today's good order. It is not how strong the below is, it's how strong you recover these matters. Urinary problems can be reduced quickly in eat pumpkin. Today's Jigo question: What is the name of highest peak in the Himalayas? What is the name of highest peak in the Himalayas? Answer: Mount Everest. Thank you.